We need to increase the flow on line 3.
Make sure the sorters are checking for color consistency.
Yes, we're monitoring it closely.
The intake looks good, steady flow at 40 tons an hour.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels near the sorter.
Check the throughput on line 3.
Looks stable, but the color grading needs a slight adjustment.
Sword. As the apricots move through the system, rotating rollers and adjustable openings guide the different-sized fruit. The apricot puree flows steadily from the pulping system, maintaining a dense, naturally textured consistency before moving to the refinement stage.
After precise weighing, the ingredients are moved via automated systems to the main blending vessel, where they are combined with the apricot puree.
Temperature and weight are stable. Good. Let's initiate the cooking cycle.
The flow rate is holding steady at 200 liters per minute.
Confirmed. The viscosity levels match the target specification.
Inside the cooking vessel, powerful agitators continuously move the apricot mixture as controlled heat transforms it. Workers monitor the system using digital instrumentation. Here the mixture is concentrated, with industrial pumps circulating the product through the system. Temperature and pressure sensors provide continuous feedback. The jars are first inspected for cleanliness and integrity before the robotic handling systems ensure precise spacing as they enter the filling machine. Check the torque on line 3.
Looks stable, well within tolerance.
Quality checks complete on batch 42. It meets all specifications.
Approved for transfer. The automated inspection system rapidly scans each jar for defects, ensuring only quality products move to the labeling phase. We monitor the alignment closely, making minor adjustments to the tension while the machine runs at full speed.
The automated coding system applies precise batch information, ensuring quality control without slowing the line.
Okay, that pallet is verified. We are good to seal it up. Copy that. Clear to close.
From the orchard to the modern pantry, the journey of the perfect apricot jam is complete.